everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles, and welcome to the LOL Surprise Circus! Say hello to our friend Cheeky Babe on a big swing! Okay everyone, give me a big thumbs up if you want to see Cheeky Babe fly! Nice! What an awesome trick! But I don't think she's finished! Whoa! Perfect landing! This is the coolest circus car ever! And now for our next performer, here's Showgirl and her magic LOL merry-go-round. Round and round they go! I just hope they're not getting dizzy! Are you ready for more? Okay, next up is our friend VR Cutie and her giant confetti pop Ferris wheel. Awesome job, VR Cutie! But is everyone ready for our greatest circus act ever? Okay, Touchdown, are you ready for blast off? Oh my goodness! That's amazing! Now that's what I call a touchdown! But we're not done yet! It's time for the LOL Circus Parade! Our circus animals even made it! You better hurry, Dawn! And we can't have a circus without a circus tiger! Through the hoop you go, Mr. Tiger! Thank you! Thank you! I hope you had fun at the LOL Circus with me, Ellie Sparkles. And are you ready for another adventure? Let's go! Hi everyone, it's me, Princess Ellie Sparkles. And I have a surprise for my baby brother, the Prince! A shiny new car! Ah, I think the Prince likes it! Okay, Prince, are you ready to sit inside the car? Hey, wait! You're only a baby! You can't drive the car until you're bigger! Here, let me show you how to play with our new car! Okay, stay right there and be a nice baby. I'm going to drive nice and slow. Whoa! Hey, how do I make this car go slower? Oh no! Now I'm going backwards. And now forwards again! Whoa! I'm getting dizzy! Hey, look! It's the Princess Pet Slime! Maybe he can help the car stop! Oh no! He's making the car go even faster! The Prince and his pet slime are having so much fun! But what are they up to now? Uh-oh, what did you do this time, baby brother? Our new car is stuck in all this icky mud! Only a superhero is strong enough to push this car. Someone like Superhero Ellie Sparkles. Don't worry, baby brother. I'll use my superpowers to save the day. Hello, boys and girls! Today is my little brother's birthday. And to celebrate, we're going to have a magic show with me, Magician Ellie Sparkles. Thank you! Thank you! The baby prince and his friends can't wait to start the show. So let's get started. For my first trick, I'm going to take this egg and... Hey! Oh no! Look at this icky egg now! What happened to the other half? Oh, brother! Okay, I can't do the egg trick, but don't worry, Magician Ellie Sparkles has lots of tricks to show you. This looks like an empty black hat, but when I say the magic words, banana sparkles, we find, ta-da! A cute bunny rabbit! Huh? Yikes! How did he get in there? I have another trick to show you. First, let's put one magic egg into the hat and a second magic egg into another hat. And now I need some help. Red Blob, do you think you can help me with my magic trick? Okay, hop on in. Now, since it's Prince's birthday, we're going to play a game with him. Prince, can you guess which hat the red blob is in? This one? Let's see if you're right. No, sorry, Prince. This hat is empty. Let's try again. Make sure you watch the hats closely. The last one? The red blob isn't in this hat. We found an LOL surprise. It's Rocker. How cool! The red blob isn't in this hat either, but here he is. Ta-da! Good job, everyone! I'm so happy that my magic trick finally worked. I had so much fun at today's magic show. This is Magician Ellie Sparkles. See you next time! It's winter in Sparkleville. And here I am, Princess Ellie Sparkles. My baby brother, the prince, is having so much fun with snowballs. But it's really cold out here. Don't forget to bundle up, Prince. Silly Prince. Oh well, I tried. I'll be right back. What is Prince doing? Wow, now it's a huge snowball. Here you go, Prince. One super huge snowball just for you. He loves it. And do you know what happens when we put a little snowball on top of the big snowball? Then add some black buttons, a red scarf, 2 black button eyes, a carrot nose, and a cute smiley mouth. That's right, it's a snowman. Oh, I almost forgot. Purple Blob, do your magic. A special magic hat for our snowman friend. Prince loves it, do you? What is it, Prince? You say the snowman came alive? Silly Prince. Snowmen don't come alive. Sorry, baby brother. I didn't see anything. Just a regular old snowman. blob turn into a sun. But the sun is so hot. Uh-oh. Wow, the snowman was really an LOL surprise doll. Awesome. Time to go play.